Let July 4, 2014 be remembered as Evolution Day, the day humanity first recognized that they evolved from other animals and inherited animal subconsciousness. In 1859, Charles Darwin proposed his scientific theory of evolution by natural selection and later applied it to human evolution. For more than 150 years, Darwin's theory has stood all challenges, has been verified through predicted fossil evidence, and has been validated through DNA evidence. Essentially, it is much a fact that humans evolved from other animals as Earth revolves around the sun. Anyone who denies human evolution is attempting to live prior to the 19th century, when the reality is we are living in the 21st century. Any religion which cannot accept facts or reality must evolve or face the possibility of extinction. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. Over the past century, humans have continued to think of themselves as human beings when they are really human animals. An animal that speaks and wears clothes is still an animal, not a being. Evolution is the 500-pound gorilla in the room that no one wants to see. Natural selection explains why this occurs. Previously, there has not been a survival advantage for any animal to know that it evolved from other animals, so no animal has until recently. Now it has become imperative in order to save Earth from the devastation that global warming will bring. Humans must wake up to the reality that they evolved from other animals and inherited animal subconsciousness. We can see that humans inherited a common body structure from earlier mammals. Unfortunately, we cannot see an inherited animal subconsciousness. Just as two eyes help an animal survive, animal subconsciousness supplies instinctive behaviors that help an animal survive. Instincts are some observable animal traits, but the sex drive is the most obvious example of animal subconsciousness at work. The moment a potential mate appears, animal subconsciousness begins to take over. Social animals like bees, fish, dogs, apes follow a social hierarchy composed of alphas, betas, deltas, etc. What is less obvious is that humans follow a similar social hierarchy subconsciously. A social hierarchy helps civilizations prosper. Unfortunately, every previous civilization has collapsed from misleadership, environmental disasters, or invasions. Our civilization is heading toward collapse for the same reasons. Misinformation about global warming, increasingly severe global warming disasters, food and water wars. Humans must stop following alpha misleaders and must aggressively work toward reducing global warming. Middleway is here to deliver the message: humans evolved from other animals and inherited animal subconsciousness. Until humans become aware of what that truly means, then million-year-old traits will dominate their behavior, a behavior that is pointing them toward the collapse of civilization as we know it. This is the century that humans will either evolve beyond animal subconsciousness or perish by allowing animal subconsciousness to dominate. Time will tell if an old dog can learn new tricks.